Hey guys, it's your girl Diana's Corner, and I've come again with another interesting video. So hit on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. Let me start with asking this question. You as a wife or as a mom, even if you're not pregnant, will you be able to make 5 pot of food in a day? Will you be able to do that? Okay, this is our Nigerian fashion designer Vicky James. She shares how she was able to make 5 pot of food, like I mean 5 different food in a day. How possible is that? Where is she actually getting the energy from? Because I don't understand. Imagine making 5 pot of soup in a day as someone that is not pregnant, and she that she's making it, she's pregnant. Anyway, the Lord is your strength. Your husband is actually enjoying. You are doing a perfect and a good wifely duty, and congratulations on your pregnancy. We the online in-laws cannot actually wait to meet the baby. Anyway, let's watch and see what she's making. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, this is Diana's Corner, where I bring to you guys so many interesting celebrity gists. We react to interesting videos, and it is so lovely and entertaining here. So please hit on the subscribe button. Tell Vicky James congratulations at the comment section. Tell me, you as a lady or as a pregnant woman or as a mom, will you be able to make 3 different food in a day, let alone making 5? Let us know that on the comment section. To my old subscribers, thank you guys for the love. Please, as you're watching this video, do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. What is this? Is this one stew or sauce? Anyway, you're doing well and your husband is actually enjoying. Do not forget to share out this video. Do not forget to tell them congratulations at the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys, and please see you guys in my next video.